In this video, I'm going to show you how to add notes to Google Keep. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to keep.google.com, and then you should see a page that looks something like this. To add new notes, click on Take a Note. You can give this note a title, or you can just add content to it. All right, so now I have new note. Once I have that new note, I can set a reminder if it has to be completed by a certain time or if I have to start doing it by a certain time. If more than one person is going to be involved, you can add collaborators. You can change the background color. This is a good way to visually organize your notes if they have a common theme. You can add images to your notes. You can archive the note, which basically will take it off of the Keep screen, but it will not delete it. You would still be able to find it by searching. And then you can delete the note, add a label to it. Labels also help you keep track of notes that have a common theme. You'll notice that at the top of mine, I have several notes that have a common background. Each has its own theme. And that helps me organize those. I can make a copy of a note if I want more than one version. So maybe I want an old version, and then I'm going to make a copy so I can make changes to it, and then I at least have both copies. Show checkboxes, copy to Google Docs. There's a lot you can do here with Keep Notes. You can add a checkmark list. Right? So let's say you have a list of things you want to do. You can create a list. That's what these are. When I complete them, I can simply touch the box and it crosses them off. You can add a drawing as a Keep Note. So when I click on the little paintbrush, I can add a drawing. I can make scribbles. And now my scribble is a note. Or you can add a note using an image. If you click on the image, you can select an image. It will add that image to the note. If you ever want to delete a note, just click on the little snowman menu. Delete note. Delete note. And that is how you create notes in Google Keep.